For this Blender how-to video, we're gonna show how to create simple plate armor. So it's gonna be pretty fast. So delete that. Shift A, create a cube. Put SC. Make it pretty thin like that. And then we are gonna tab edit mode. Face mode and export. It should be about the same size. Alright, not too bad. Alright. So then let's go to wireframe vertices. What we do to this one, we're gonna do this one. G, Y, go up a little bit like this. That's not terrible. Alright. So then we are gonna edit, go to face mode, select these two faces, each one individually, but we're gonna do a simple thing. So we're gonna create different parts. So Shift D after we create this, right click, Control A to select all, and then P, lose by parts. Then we're gonna do this to this face as well. Then Shift D, right click, A, P, by loose parts. Okay. And now if we put tab, we created two different parts. Alright, so then let's create these, let's select these two. And we're gonna join them, right? And then we're gonna put tab, and we're gonna select A, and we're gonna extrude up, and G, Y, Y to the side a little bit like this, right? And then tab, that's pretty good. Armor, oh wait, sorry. Tab, the middle right here. Oh, wrong section. All right, tab. Okay, there's two sections. So select edge and then G. All right, X. That's not too terrible. Set the other edge. 1 G. That's pretty good. All right. And so then we can go further, and we can do some beveling. So select the edges all here. Bevel. It's cool. All right. So now we got some weird but pretty cool armor. And now tab, press these two, Shift D, and so 3, right? Okay, G, and we can do it like this, right? It's pretty good. All right. So then we can stack armor like that. But let's say we want to make it a little more interesting. So Control C, get rid of that, get rid of the duplicates. Also, if this is gonna be like one little part, make it like a scene selection so you're not too confused. So these two. So armor piece 1. All right, and then so we can make it more interesting by selecting these two, tab, 7, oh actually, yeah, vertices, just these on each side, Shift, select, press O for proportion editing, then G like this. Actually, that's 1 G. Oh, it's because this one's a little further. Okay. G. Alright, cool. So now these two should be good. Alright, so G, go down like this. Alright, so then we're scaling like that, and then we can just tab, select these two again, Shift D, 3, G, and then we can keep on stacking. Shift D, Y, and C. No, Y first, sorry. That's not terrible. G, C. And then we can keep on doing this. We could also, I think, even do like a repeating pattern with the array. But we can do that another time. So actually, we'll do it right now, just so you can see. So G, C, actually X. All right. And then we should actually join these. So Control Shift D to duplicate them. X to move them over here. These two, object, join. So now we have that. Go to the modifier, add modifier array. You can see it's like right next to each other, but that's not what we want. We want it to be like right on top of each other. Then Y about 0.5, right? And then the C axis we want 0.25. Right, that looks good. And then we're going to keep repeating this, so more, so that you can create armor like that. And then that's about it. If you use, let's get rid of that. See? So now you have like plated armor, and you can do all sorts of weird things, cool things with this. But yeah, hope this helps, and hope these examples, help you. So best of luck, and until the next time.